Yeah, the static makes it.
Look what, unless it's the wind, maybe it's the wind.
Oh, yeah.
Every time he's gotten it,
You
there's,
can put gas
you can put gas in, yep.
too. Oh my, yes.
Put his little lunchbox back there.
Yeah.
Where you go?
Use 2 hands, Benjamin. 2 hands. 2 hands. He's using 2 hands, but it's got his. Okay, this way. Now we're gonna go. Oh wow! Let's go for a walk. Straight. You gotta do straight. Yeah. Okay.
Good work. Yeah. Well, there was another little tiny car sitting next to him. I thought it was a bit too small. Besides, how many of these?
Yes. Yeah. That's someone else now.
Yeah, that's right.
You know,
The house is giving away a lot of stuff.
I guess their kids are.
Oh yeah, the kids are probably out for it.
Yeah. Way to go. Oh, steer. There. These are so long.
Yeah. It was funny that one of the TV shows we watch every episode starts with a little truck bursting through the hedges. And he's trying to back up into the hedge.
That's why, eventually we'll probably have to have some kind of
Fence.
fence inside because he's going to want to fly through. Where are you going now?
I think I'm the only yard on the street with fresh dangling. Look at the big love.